Hello, this is Jason with MathTutorDVD.com, and now we're going to continue talking about basic use of the basic buttons here on the TI-84 and TI-83 series calculators. And in this section we're going to focus on these buttons down here, the logarithm buttons. So you have a log button and you have an ln button, and those are nice friendly dedicated buttons on the calculator. The log button in this calculator is taking a log to the base 10, and so this isn't really a math lesson here. I mean, we have to assume that you know what a logarithm is, or that you're studying something that requires a logarithm, but just know that you have this button available on your calculator, and when you see the log button, it means base 10. Now the ln button is also a logarithm button, but it's to the base e, e being that magic number here that has a value of 2.7 18 and so on and so on, and that's a very special number in the universe, really. So this is base 10, this is base e. So if you were going to take the logarithm of 2, then simply you would press the log button, and it would open a parentheses for you automatically, and you would hit the number 2, you would close it, and then you would evaluate it. So you see, it's very simple to do. You just have to remember to hit the log button first and close the parentheses, and out spits a number. And for those of you who really want to know, if you go ahead and just take a log of 2, what this calculator is doing is basically saying this is a base 10 log. So 10 raised to the power of what I got as the answer is going to give me the number 2. That's what a logarithm is. It's basically saying, okay, this is base 10, so what do I need to raise it to the power of, which is given here by the answer, in order to give me a 2. So notice here on top of the log button is a 10 to the x, and that is up here because this is a base 10 logarithm, and 10 raised to the power of something is the sort of the mathematical opposite of doing the logarithm. So if I wanted to check this, I could hit this, and that would basically say 10 raised to the power of, and let's say I want to raise it to the power of my answer. So instead of typing this in, I'll just go ahead and hit answer. And I'll close the parentheses and hit enter, and I should get the answer 2 back, which is exactly what I expect, because I told you logarithm, what it's